Hey everyone, this is Tom from Adventures at Home. So today I'm going to be making some bundles, and I'm going to show you a new way that I came up with to make the bundles tighter and actually provide some kindling. So let's get right into it. So here's the stand that I made to make my bundles, and I'm using this 15-inch stretch wrap. So this is readily available on the internet. And once I get started, I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm going to get started on this. So the wood that I'm wrapping today is some ash, and this wood is relatively new as far as being split, cut and split. And I typically try to throw a piece of cherry in there. A lot of people like the cherry, so I try to give them at least one piece of that. And these bundles are larger than what you would get at the grocery store. The bundles at the grocery store are typically 0.65 cubic feet. And these are about, I would say, 1.25. And I charge $5 for these. So I'm going to split up some kindling here in a minute, and I'll show you that step. So what I've been doing lately is splitting up some maple. Split it up to maybe 1 inch or smaller pieces, and then I take those and I pound those in the gaps within the bundle that's already wrapped. So what that does is it expands the bundle against the wrap, and it makes it very tight, and the customer has some kindling. The thing I like about the maple, it's very straight and it splits straight. So the other thing that I do is I typically wrap a piece of kindling with the stretch wrap to get started. So I'll kind of wind the stretch wrap around the kindling several times. I'll just stick that in here to get started, and that seems to work pretty well. So here's my label. Okay, and that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do is take it off the stand, then pound maybe 4 or 5 of these pieces of maple in between the cracks to make it nice and tight. Okay, so this is really nice and tight. This is just the way you want it. And that's it. So anyway, that's how I do it now. That's how I make the bundles. They've been nice and tight. Bundle sales have been really picking up. So I may have to invest in a machine to actually start making these. But anyway, even with the machine, you're not going to get the bundles as tight as you can by putting some kindling in between the gaps. Let me show you that. Okay, you can see the kindling where I pounded it in between. You're always going to have these gaps when you make a bundle, but putting the kindling in there really tightens it up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully this will help you out, and have a great day.